GeneQuest is LaserGene's application for locating and annotating genes in your DNA sequence. Once you've used some of GeneQuest's methods to predict coding regions in your sequence, it's helpful to corroborate those predictions by aligning the regions to a reference genome. For example, in this sequence that I'm looking at now, I've already annotated a potential gene with 4 exons, and I've done this by using the Borodovsky matrices available for this organism, as well as by analyzing the ORFs. So now I want to check my results, and I'm going to do this by clicking on my feature, which will select only the sequence associated with the annotated segments of the feature, so my exons. And then I'm going to select Net Search, Blast Selection. And here are my results, and as you can see, if I scroll over here, the top several results are mRNA sequences. And so I'm going to choose the top 5 of those and then click on Put in Document. And what that will do is save a copy of each of the sequences and then add it to my GeneQuest project. So here you can see the set of sequences that I selected from my BLAST results. They were added to my project under a method called gene finding, and they were also automatically applied to my sequence here. And so what this method has done is to find regions on my sequence that align to the sequences I saved from NCBI, and then annotate and score each match. And as you can see just from a quick glance, the sequences I added line up pretty well with the exons that I predicted in my gene. Now, in order to be recorded as a match, the sequence has to at least meet the minimum match size parameter specified for this method. And to see or edit that parameter, you would just select the method here from the curtain, and then choose Analysis, Method Parameters. So you can see the minimum match size for this method is 15, which means that at least 15 identical bases are required to define a match. You can also see, you may need to zoom in a little bit, that there's a number on each of these segments. And this is a score that indicates how many bases in the two sequences matched up. You can also click and hold on any of these segments to see the matching coordinates of the two sequence stretches, as well as the first 20 bases on each end of the region. If you have further questions about using the gene finding methods in GeneQuest, or any other questions about our software, please visit our website at DNASTAR.com or contact us at support@DNASTAR.com.